So, ako yung magluluto for today. Bili ng ulam. So, I'm thinking of pork steak. Chicken liver po. Magkano? 180. So, isang kilo lang. Dito po, 8. Opo. May isang kilo na po yun, no? Yun lang po. Padoble na lang po yung plastic. Thank you. Thank you. Milky soya, yun nakita ko for matcha. Perfect for matcha daw. Vita soy ba yun? This one, milky oat. Pila na ako. Kasi yung ulam lang naman for today yung pinunta ko rito. And today I'm just going to make my matcha for the day. Habang hinihintay ko yung marinade sa pork steak. So I'm just going to do my matcha. So excited to try the new milk, the one from Vita Soy Milky Oat. So yeah, yun naman yung try ko. Kasi I don't know, it doesn't complement yung matcha. Hindi siya nako-complement ng oat side. So that's why I'm going to try new milk, new oat milk. This is the matcha sitch. Yeah, I'm seeing the microphones. I love it. Pero hindi pa ako kontento sa microphones. Ang cute ng color. Using this one from the Superfood Grocers milk. It's from Vita Soy. This is the Milky Oat. Ito kasi nakikita ko nare-recommend lagi. So, yes. The SRP of the Vita Soy is around 130 or 129. So I'm just gonna fill it all the way here. Ooh, some little water here para design yung matcha. Okay. Wow. So tapang. Matcha cheers. Wow. Even though na milky oat yung nakalagay sa kanya, that it's not too creamy. Milky siya, pero ano, parang watery pa rin yung consistency ng milk ni Vita Soy. Unlike sa oat side, talagang super creamy siya. And somehow, I don't like it with my matcha kasi ang powerful nung pagka-milk sa matcha pag oat side yung gamit ko. Same with the other brands, so good. The barista oat, yeah, it's too creamy. But with this one, tama lang. Mas nako-complement niya yung matcha. So, I'm finally done cooking and I'm about to eat na finally. Gutom na gutom na. Itadakimasu!